Sound is the heartbeat of horror, a sinister whisper that sends chills down your spine. Imagine a dark room. You hear nothing, then a single creak. Your imagination runs wild, fueled by the absence of comfort. This is the power of silence, expertly used to heighten tension. Then there's the heartbeat, a rhythmic thump that mimics your own, sinking fear and adrenaline. Sound designers layer these elements, crafting an audio tapestry that defines the genre. Who can forget the iconic violins in Psycho? The shrieking strings slice through the air, elevating the tension to unbearable heights. Horror films often employ the jump scare technique, utilizing sharp, sudden sounds that jolt the audience. These audio tricks manipulate the brain, creating a visceral reaction. But it's not just loud noises. Subtle sounds like whispers and distant cries wrap around you, creating a sense of dread. They embed themselves in your mind. Think of the low, rumbling growls that suggest something lurking in the shadows. This masterful use of audio transforms mundane scenes into terrifying experiences. In horror, sound isn't just an accompaniment. It's a character, playing with our deepest fears and anxieties.